People, as we dey talk the one wey happen, another one don still come o. They say that the territorial group wey dem dey call ISWAP no be small thing o. These people don kpai 20 people because say na dem dey come dey give information, dey give Nigeria army say see how dem take dey do their kpurukere waka. As they come do am finish, they say they get more people wey dey bring wey dey wan still kpai again. My people, I wan make you watch this video come see the reaction of Nigerians wey as this thing take happen, come see wetin Nigerians come dey talk. Some dey paro say make they go throw Ogbunigwe, make Donald Trump come today tomorrow throw Ogbunigwe give us rock. Even the ministers make they buy all of them, say enough is enough. Abeg watch this video before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Nigerians, so ISWAP just released a 5-minute documentary video. They titled this video "The Consequences of Betrayal." They released this video yesterday, will be the 23rd of January 2026. This particular video here. So according to ISWAP, these guys where they murder for this, where them buy for this video, all these guys who now where they face death. Now the guys who they give Nigeria army info about them. Not just Nigeria army, the CJTF too. So ISWAP line them up here. These guys are more than 20 individuals, more than 20 men were unalived in this their video. So they say anybody again when they find say their eyes dey on them, their eyes dey on their men, any of their men wey they catch in the act of betrayal, they go kpai am just like this. So this particular video now warning to their men, like their team, like ISWAP, anyone wey go say wan betray them, go they give Nigerian army information about their activities, then go now this fate, see their fate here. You know get, so make I allow now to watch the video. You know the story. If then they hide out, the English Alhaji, they bring them out. Are they active?
Ba mu kasance anan da nufin mu ce muku ku hannu ba, ya ku ’yan leƙen asiri kaskantattu rainannu, ko don mu ba ku labarin abin da za mu yi muku idan muka samu iko a kanku ba, ya ku masu yi wa arna aiki, maha'inta kaskantattu, kuma mun san cewa lallai gawarwakin da kuke gani babu kayuka na waɗanda suka gabace ku baya fita daga tunaninku, kuma hotunansu a halin da kayukansu a farfashe suna bayyana gare ku a farkenku da cikin mafarkinku. Kuma hakika mun tunatar da ku da ayoyi da hadisai waɗanda sun ishi mai wa'azuntuwa, kuma mun yi muku gargaɗi da barazana da magana da aiki, wanda cikinsu akwai abin da ya isa tsoratarwa, sai dai babu mamaki don wanda Allah ya nufi fitinarsa to ba za ka mallaka masa komai ba. Kuma ku sani, lallai wannan dogewa da kuke ba zai ƙara muku komai ba, face tozarci da wulaƙanci a duniya, da cancantar wannan azaba mai wulaƙantarwa a ranar lahira, halaka a gare ku kuma halaka a gare ku. Ya ku masu sayar da lahira da duniya, masu sayar da addininsu da farashi tauyayye, duk da cewa kuna da sauran lokaci na shelanta tuba kafin samun iko a kanku, domin musulunci yana share abin da ya gabace shi na laifuka. Amma idan kuka ƙi, to wukaken nan namu su ne dai a shirye, kuma harshashinmu yana daƙon ranar da za ku kasance a gabanmu kuna gurfane. To, ba ku da wata tuba bayan wannan lokacin, kuma abin da ya fi wannan tsanani da firgici yana jiranku a ranar alkiyama.
I want you to see the reaction of so many Nigerians watch this video.
This video you are watching, it is not a season movie. Now ISWAP now released movie yesterday, 5-minute documentary. Hey Jesus, why I tell you, I say we don't finish for this country. Nobody go fit save Nigeria if not be God. They released 5 minutes video. What is the video talk about? They say these people they want kill, so 10 people they go shoot all of them die. You know why? Now these people now they give Nigerian army information. So ISWAP take all their life one by one. No, shoot all of them. Now they release the documentary to threaten you, to threaten the rest of the people. Say this is the betrayer. If you betray them, now what do you go face with this? For you to cough out for Nigeria, for you to talk what is happening for Nigeria, now what do you go face? Now be this. Then you go tell me say we are saving this country. Jesus. Ha! When they talk, people go say, oh, this guy, I feel. You don't see him for yourself. You don't see him for yourself. Now I understand who they give Shegumi heart for this country. Then waiting make Shegumi go fit stand, threaten a whole Donald Trump. Say they are ready to go to war. If Donald Trump try to divide Nigeria, say they go war. I don't see who they your back. Now truth. Donald Trump, sir, not be Nigeria you dey go war with, oh. You dey go war with bandits. In case you want throw bomb. No throw bomb come Ugele. No throw bomb come Worry. Throw bomb go Aso Rock. Aso Rock, throw bomb go there. Throw your bomb. Go bandits where they dey. For Katsinas, throw bomb. Bomb the whole north. Bomb everywhere for north. Most start life afresh. Aso Rock drop like 15 bomb. May they not escape anyone. May they not escape anyone. May they not escape anyone. I beg you, Donald Trump, I beg. Our Senate House. Since Senate House, we talk about bandit killing. Senate House, don't know if they talk so. Bomb the full Senate House. Bomb there. I be Nigeria. You dey hear my pigeon. You go know see na house now I come from. Bomb the sir. Bomb everywhere. You go this country, go kidnap, go carry their president. Sir, you dey waste time. Go kidnap Tinubu. Go help us carry Tinubu and the wife. Go help us carry Tinubu. Tomorrow, I know some don't see pictures when they fly of on a so-called real model when they join APC. When they say, oh, on your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate. Tomorrow, I will get time for them. Why I tell and say this country is finished. Nobody go fit tell me say this country never finish. We dey live for this country now by the grace of God. Tomorrow, as you're ready to go church, make sure you carry a gun. Make sure you carry a cutlass. Make sure you carry a knife. If not, your life is gone. They go take your life. I feel shock you. You know if you do anything. Sure. What do you want to talk? What do you want to do? If you talk, Shegumi go come out and say, leave them. They are our brothers. If you talk, say, leave them. They are our brothers. If you say talk, they go leave them. But you, if they kill you, you go die, Sarah, and nobody go change anything. That is the Nigeria. Welcome to Nigeria, where only bandits, kidnapper, witchcraft are the real citizens of Nigeria. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and your family, I greet you. God bless you. I pray say before you go win 2027, make we stay there alive, because I sure say by 2027, only people who go to Nigeria will be only 3, which is going to be you, Shetima, and your godfather, Sheikh Gumi. Share this video.
My people, it don't read. When I don't see this one they happen today. I bet share this video. Share this video. You will still be one Nigeria where you know the truth. I pray when Nigeria don't happen to you, because those people now Nigeria don't happen to them. Maybe if you tell them say it go be like this, they no go believe. They work to save country where their papa no create, where their grandpapa no create, where the entire generation self no even know how they take become Nigeria. If they tell us say they be Nigeria, so they go reverse safe. Say how come we are not Nigeria? So it can't start on the foundation that it did not know how we started. Even though at least they will give you document. Look at. Then it's for you to change. Okay, it's good for me or it's not good for you. But we are never consulted about Nigeria. They just amalgamated us together and call us one Nigeria, and we are answering the name. The name is not working. Rather, it's bringing sorrow, shame, and everything humiliation to us, hardship and hunger to us. Yet we are pretending. So let us keep being pretending and be going. The earlier the better. I've said it. The only solution that Nigeria have is not prayer. It is not election. It is not voters card. It is not PVC. Only solution is divide Nigeria now to save life. There's no other alternative. If you think there's only other alternative, you will reign, pass. Your generation will come and reign and pass. Nigeria has no more fatalism. Lalai.